Hey guys, so welcome to a new vlog. Hope you guys are doing well. It is a Sunday, so happy Sunday to you. And don't mind my bedroom there. So okay, we're getting ready to go out. So there's two things today on the agenda. One is a surprise proposal. My friend is getting married. He's proposing to his girlfriend. So wedding time. I'm super excited. So yeah. So after that, then I'm going to Food Rum Festival after that. Let me get into the fit. Well, before that, I actually need to go pick up the food from my mom, because you know when you're doing a proposal, you gotta have food, you gotta feed the people, food and drinks. So my mom is the one that's doing the cooking. So I'm gonna actually head to her, pick up the food, and then head to the venue. Yeah. Let's get into the fit now. So initially, this is a skirt, right? Initially, I wanted to tie this, because when it's tied, as you can see, it looks so much better. But I'm gonna figure it shortly. But I'm thinking to wear this brown sandals or sneakers. I'm just feeling very cash. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. And wearing this top with a jeans pants would work. But let me just keep on the white skirt, just in case. Says either I'm gonna wear the sandals or my white sneakers. I haven't figured it out yet. But yeah, the next thing, the girl don't have no tripod anymore. This thing that's supposed to, the magnetic thing came off from my phone. So I don't have no, I basically gonna have to buy over everything. The lights too that I have, the light clipper, it's gone. So we're gonna be vlogging with holding our hands, probably vlogging with no lights and all of that. But we're gonna go to Amazon in this week and check out what cart, so we can get proper vlogging stuff, tripod and lighting. But I'm really thinking to tie this, so it just gives me, look at it, it just brings off my top a little bit more, because the top, this is how it's supposed to wear, babe, but I feel like I want to tie it, so I think I'm gonna tie it. But anyways, it's 4:30, the proposal is going to be at 5:30, so I'm gonna head to Mother, pick up the food and head straight up. Oh, I gotta stop at the supermarket to get additional containers, so I'll catch you guys when we reach at the proposal and all of that. Yeah, it's gonna be such a nice day.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I could stare at you for 100 years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful.
Alright guys, so I'm here. I set up the food and everything. So we're just waiting on the soon to be Mr. and Mrs. We are definitely running late. It's 6:30 and we're supposed to start from 5:30, so you know how it goes. So anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. And the decor is so beautiful, y'all. So gorgeous.
Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this.
Hey guys, so I actually finished at the proposal and I am supposed to go to Rum and Food Festival, but I am at Janga's just gonna meet my friend. I don't know if I'm gonna end there, if I'm gonna get to go to the Rum Festival still, but I'll see. It finishes at 12 and it's 9:41 right now, but let's head into Janga's and see what the vibe is going on.
Look what the hot body can do. Look what the hot body can do. Body be dancing, slow wine, so my body so fine.
In the fire getting burn, that day will come when they will try to escape and there will be no way to run. That day will come when I shall see the ending of the burn. Fire will be burning. Jamaica, come on them out. Everybody, say I will never stop. Sure, always. Fire burning. But I will never stop. Who do I sing the party? Who do I sing the party? This is the one I see the fun. Yeah.
guys, we are home. Guys, I'm super tired. It's literally midnight. Yeah, it's midnight. I'm tired. The festival was good. I got there probably like 11 o'clock. So they close off at midnight. So I got there like 11. So I was only there for like an hour. Less than an hour basically because I'm home now. But it was good. Like, I know Capleton, I saw a video of Capleton and all of that. And I just grabbed me some crayfish soup, but I need to finish. So that's the only thing that I bought there. Oh, I also bought a candle. Listen, I'm a candle girl, and when I go to these festivals, I always buy a candle. So it's not focusing. Hold on. So I bought this cute candle. It smells so good, merry and bright. Like, I can't wait to start out my business. But it's very nice. Loving the container too. So this is what I'm saying. Like the other container. Let me show you guys a container. So this is my regular container. You see, boring. This, don't mind them here, guys. So much junk. So this is my, I washed some clothes and I need to put them where they need to go. So this is my regular container that I use. And then this, like, look at it. Which one would you purchase? Like this. Let me take off the cover. You know, if you go into a store, like, which one would you purchase? Like, you know, it's just looking so more sleek and all that. So I can't wait to work on my business. So ready. I'm so ready. But it was a fun night. The proposal was so good. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in a week because I don't know what this vlog is gonna be. I need to put up my Christmas tree, so we'll probably do that tomorrow for close off of the year. But yeah, big up guys, and I'll see you in the next day on another day. So it's a Thursday, so happy Thursday to you all. I'm just thinking this morning that my tree not go up yet, and it's a week and a half from Christmas. Like, have y'all tree gone up yet? I really need to put up my tree. Like, it's either by this weekend, because I was gonna say today, but I know how I am, so that's not gonna work. But by weekend, I'm going to put up my tree because it's a week and a half till the 25th. That's crazy. Anyways, let me know. Drop a comment and let me know if I'm gonna put up my Christmas tree yet, because I don't know what I'm thinking. What am I doing? Anyways, we're going to our dental monthly checkup. We're gonna remove the rubber. We have extractions to do today. So the girl is gonna be spending money when she do have right now. We have extractions to do, and we're gonna change this color. I think I had it in a pinkish color. Yo, she don't ready to spend money on braces monthly? Don't do it. Well, it's something that you add in your monthly budget, to be honest. So when I don't spend all the money, I'll tell you guys, I have approximated to 60 something grand. I do have my insurance card. I don't know how much left on it, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully cover a bulk of my extractions, because I think I'm supposed to be extracting 4 teeth today. Anyways, it's 1:22 and we're still at home, and the appointment is 1:30. So let's get cracking. Let's go. Let's put on this AC too, because yo, the sun is crazy. All right, what a key say gay. The sun is so I'm in the elevator heading to the dental appointment. So hopefully this does not take long. I don't have a long wait because we need to go home, and I'm also working my laptop. Firstly, I did not do any extractions today. I was told I do extractions on Thursdays, but I can recall the last time I was there, right? I did book an appointment for extractions, but I remembered I had called and to reschedule for this day, so I guess blah. So we're doing extraction, so that's gonna be done in January because I'm not available next week to do any extraction. So I only did a cleaning and fluoride today, and you know, I did the monthly maintenance. I put in purple. It's not bad, right? Anyways, I cannot eat anything for 30 minutes. I think I've surpassed 30 minutes right now based on the time and the time that I left the doctor's office, and I have no energy. I am hungry. I am starving. I was gonna stop and buy food, but I remembered I have food in the fridge. So my ass is gonna pop that in the microwave right now and eat. I should have stopped to get some juice because I know my juice is low, but like I was just so, I don't know, like the cleaning was just so, the cleaning was rough. Like cleaning your teeth was so rough. Like it just gave me a headache. Everything gave me a headache. My back hurts, like everything. Today was just not a good day at the dentist. I'm not gonna lie. I did pick up this because I do have like a snack section and coffee section. I should pick up a chocolate, you know, I still eat chocolate. So this I definitely gonna have tonight. By the way, last night I have ice cream. Like I was so hungry after midnight last night. I just grabbed I had an apple plus ice cream plus cereal last night. That's why my belly now go down. That is the sole reason why my belly now gone down. Cause them 3 dessert sweet thing I'm having after midnight. Anyways, I think this is it for the vlog. I hope you guys are well. Like if you like this video, just, you know, thumbs up the video, drop a comment down below, and I will see you guys. I'm gonna attempt to put up my Christmas tree. Yeah, so the next vlog you'll see my Christmas tree I got up, but that's a telling from now. Yeah, and I know this vlog is short. Like I know this vlog is short. I'm just coming with a short vlog because I really want to post often, so that way I work with until, you know, y'all know. But I hope next week is gonna be busy because the week before Christmas, and I really want to do my hair. So we're gonna change that hairstyle. Like this hairstyle not gonna work for Christmas, even though it can, but this is like, I'm keeping this here for when I don't have that hairstyle. I'm gonna do that hairstyle. So anytime I see me do that hairstyle, yeah, every time you see me do that hairstyle here in this specific curly hair, that means we're on a hair break, or we just don't know what to do with our hair. But next week, it's straight hair vibes. Like I have to buy my straight hair. Like, so we're gonna do a sewing next week for sure. I wanna do that. Let me see when I wanna do it, because next week I may go to an event on Saturday, which is the 20th. So I need to do my hair between the 18th and the 19th, and I do want to do my nails too. I may just do press-ons, because if I do my nails the 20th, 2 weeks time is New Year's, right? So I guess I can do my nails from early. I don't know, I'll see. We'll see. But all right, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you in another vlog. Thank you so much, guys.